This is the lift for every floor. Okay, so we are walking to our room, and this is the room corridor. Our room today is 1307. Yeah, so this is our room. All the corridor is equipped by the wall lamp, wall light, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go. Okay, once you enter the room, you are greeted by light switches, and of course a very large window. Then the storage for your luggage, to hang your clothes, everything. There is power unit over there, I believe. And on this side you have safety bolts, lamp is basically automatic. How to turn off this thing? Okay, it's a paper bag. I'm not sure is it a laundry bag or what, but it's basically Hotel Majestic Kuala Lumpur a paper bag. And you have a brush here. I believe this is to polish your shoes. And what is this? What is this thing? Oh, basically hair dryer. Security box. In the first tiers there is laundry bag with the laundry valet. Yeah, when they have a laundry valet, it means that this hotel equipped with the laundry service for all your clothes. And we proceed ahead. So there is a table service, water service. There's plain water here. There is some eco tap served with a purpose. Okay, it's basically just a plain water, mineral water in a glass bottle. It's look very premium. And of course this to reduce the plastic, the recycled plastic, everything to reduce the waste for a greener environment. There's a glass, wine glass. I don't know, this maybe I'm not sure what kind of glasses is this. Coffee mug. There's even coffee maker here. Yeah, is it a coffee maker? Yeah, is it capsule machine operating instruction? This for this one. And I believe this is a sugar, tea, coffee, everything inside here. There is a teaspoon. This is a brown sugar, white sugar, tea capsule for the coffee machine. This one as well, but I don't know what flavor is it. There's both Cameron Gold Blend tea. This is jasmine tea. And some coffee mate. This is an instant one. Yeah, this instant coffee. And below that you have a mini bar. Okay, it's cool enough. Behind that you also can find a What is it? A water heater? Yeah, this is water heater. What about this one? I believe this one is a dustbin. Yeah, perhaps. I'm not sure. Maybe a dustbin. Another 2-tier storage or drawer. Drawer. TVs, I believe this is around 40-inch TV. This is my daughter milk bag, working station with all the telephone, note and paper and pen, power outlet. What is this? Autograph collection hotel. It's just like a bibliography for the hotel, I'm not sure. Travel and change of place impart new vigor to the mind by the Seneca. Who is Seneca? Autograph collection hotel. Another windows, a big windows. That's working station. Then it's equipped together with the lamp table. Where's the switch? Of here. Here's the switch. Yeah. This to iron or to stick your clothes. A lounge sofa, floor lamp, some decorations, coffee table. Let's see the view from here. Okay, so basically from here you can see all the city centers of Kuala Lumpur. That one is, what is that? The brown one? Oh, yeah, that is KTM. Refer to my wife. That is KTM. That is KTM. That one is KTM as well. I'm not sure. Yeah. That is Masjid Negara. Is it? That is Masjid Negara. Then I'm not sure what is this. And this is Islamic Center of Malaysia. You can see that one, the single one, is the Menara KL. Then this one, the shape like a cone, is KLCC or Petronas Tower. And from here we can just only see one tower because it's perpendicular to each other. And this is new landmark for the Kuala Lumpur. It's KL 118. Yeah. But it's still not completed in the what's construction. Okay, and some of the business towers over there. Okay, it's good to have a sofa, coach sofa. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can basically relax here and see the view with drinking some tea or coffee. Yeah, and there is a bedside table with the lamp, of course, and there is a reading light as well. Okay. Oh, they even got this thing, clock. Is it? Yeah, it's clock. There's a drawer, empty, nothing is inside. I prefer if they put some notebook with the pen to write something. And this is the bed. Oh, wow. The bed is in a king size, I believe, and they have the frame for it. I'm not sure what they call it, but they have some name for this kind of bed frame. And the free gift is little infant there. Hi kid, say hello. And of course my wife intentionally booked for this balloon, I believe, because basically today is our 1st year anniversary of marriage. There's another sofa lounge, or bedside sofa. I'm not sure how to pronounce this thing. Oh, there's no storage. Below that there is no storage. And another phone with the bedside light and the switches. But the main problem is here. I don't find any power outlet from here. Come on, it's already 2020 and power outlet or USB outlet or anything that can charge your phone, laptop, everything is very important to be located beside the bed. Because nowadays all the people plays with the gadget, phone, tablet, everything, the laptop, everything. They are just too lazy to do in a workstation, so they just prefer laying down in the bed while charging their gadget. Okay, so all the hotel, please provide the power outlet on your bedside table. Okay, so now we try to go further for the bathroom. Basically it's quite big and they don't have the exact door for it. It's just a glass door with the curtain. Okay, and as you can see from here, you can see there is bathtub. Okay, so the wall is from the what is this, I don't know what they call it. It's a mosaic, porcelain, tiles. Yeah, tiles. Okay, they're using the brown theme tiles, and on the floor they use a black theme one. Okay, they have two sinks here and there, so you and your wife no need to argue to use which one. You can use both simultaneously. Okay, of course, two mirrors as well. And I believe here you have TV as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, they have TV. So it's bathtub while you're relaxing, taking your hot shower or anything and watching TV, just to relax your mind. Below the sink table, oh, I thought there's storage here, but it's not. Same goes to this side. There is no storage. You have all the magnificent mirror here to picking your acne, to picking your nose. I'm not sure. And there's a body lotion from the mangosteen, or it's mangosteen flavor body lotions. There's a box of tissue, sanitary bag, shower cap, and vanity kits, as well as a dental kit, 2 pieces of dental kit, 2 pieces of facial towel, and some note. What is it? Please call us at station. No, it's just something like blah blah blah. A glass cup to put your dental kit. And they even have a soap bar. And it smells quite nice as well. Maybe lavender, I'm not sure. Another face towel. And luckily they have the power outlet here. Maybe for the hair dryer or the shower kit. But why don't they put, yeah, this one is for the shower kit and that one is for the hair dryer, but why they even put the power outlet here but it's not on the back side? Why not on the back side? My big question, why not on the back side? And they have a glass partition here. One on the left side is for the shower and on the right side is for the toilet bowl to doing your business, to get the ideas. Yeah. And they have the ceiling shower. It's a good thing. I prefer the ceiling shower instead of the wall shower because the water is like you take a shower from the rain. Yeah, it's more natural that way instead of the things that plug on the wall. Yeah, on the wall, and it's coming from with the angle from this side. Sorry for my bad English. And you have I'm not sure, is it a mangosteen flavor or it's a brand? So shower gel, conditioner and shampoo all in a mangosteen. Let me try to taste some. Smell. Yeah, it smells like a mangosteen. Different smell. Totally different smell. Oh yeah, they have the exact flavor here. So this one is pomelo scent, watermelon scent, and this is cucumber and lime scent. Okay, I love this one, watermelon scent. It sounds so great. It's not sound, it smells so great. What is for the body lotion is pomegranate scent. Okay, so basically everything is all the tropical fruit scent. Is good because we are located in a tropical country, and having a tropical smell scent is very good. I mean, it's the first is to represent our country. Yeah. And so basically that's all for the room view of the Hotel Majestic Kuala Lumpur. Thank you. And then yeah, last but not least is the exact shape of the entire building. Like we may be around here or here, and this is the exact shape of the building. Later on we try to go to the pool, spa, everything, restaurant. I will try to cover that. Thank you.